I am Susmita Sur-Kolay, a professor of computer science and engineering at the Indian Statistical Institute and presently visiting Karlsruhe Institute of Technology at the ITIV as an International Excellence Fellow. My research interests are in electronic design automation and optimization for quantum computing circuits, as well as hardware security. My host here, Professor Jürgen Becker, has a strong group on embedded systems, and I have been looking at the security aspects of embedded systems for different kinds of applications. As a child, I was always curious about things around and had very many questions. My school teachers were very supportive of encouraging me. My mother had a brilliant academic career in science. She was the gold medalist in chemistry. All that made me very much interested in science, and particularly in physics and mathematics. In fact, I would start from high school when the students who were studying science, there were 24 boys in my class and 7 of us as girls. In college, I was the only girl in the electronics department. But now things have changed quite a bit. The number of girls going into engineering have increased. The top Indian Institutes of Technology have taken very strong initiative in reducing the gender inequality. Since 2018, they have reserved what are known as supernumerary seats, that is 20% of the total intake. That is, whatever is the number that they have to take in, an extra 20% of those numbers are exclusively for female candidates. As a result of that, now we see about 20% of the class is female students. There has been a consciousness of appointing women professors with very brilliant careers. In fact, of all my PhD students that I have supervised, 50% of them were women. I was lucky. They felt comfortable to work with a woman as professor, as PhD supervisor. In another 10 years, with many more female scientists, they would be able to address those problems in a more realistic way and make living better. So I encourage all to have a scientific approach, and particularly young women shouldn't get discouraged that it's not for them. If you pursue, I'm sure you will be able to achieve what you want and contribute to the society.